Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We are going to be giving you a Solana price prediction. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. But if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. We're going to have fun on this episode. I want to give you a price prediction. I just did one, an updated version for Cardano, because so much has happened since. And I also have some thoughts and opinions specifically on Solana. So I want to get into why I think this token can get extremely high this cycle. So guys, if you can, again, please comment down below what is going to be your Solana price prediction. And this is going to be for summer of 2025. So similar to what I did with ADA, we are talking about a summer 2025, assuming we're in a bull run, assuming Bitcoin breaks 100K, which it might tonight. Who knows, right? So right now, let's take a look here. Bitcoin is at 92,800. Let's call it 93K, okay? Just because we can. It's clearly breaking here. It might hit 93 during this video. Might break a previous all-time high, a new one. So the way the market works is that Bitcoin is going to lead the way. It's going to consolidate, meaning the price will slow down, trade sideways. Then your high cap alts, your alternative assets other than Bitcoin, they begin to pump. So money goes from Bitcoin into Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and then it gets into like cornucopias, Raw Dog, which we'll talk about at the end, a bunch of low cap stuff. So what we're looking to do, and again, guys, invest at your own risk. What I'm doing is I'm positioned right now heavily into alternative assets. So the high caps. I believe that Solana is, 240 is very cheap right now. What we're going to see, most likely, is probably a $400 to $500 Solana. So again, a $400 to $500 Solana around January of 2025. So just past Christmas, I believe we can get around $500. After that, assuming, okay, we break previous all-time highs, which is around, we're close, around 250, so very close. Solana, because of memes, and we'll get into that, there's so much to talk about here. I believe that Solana, because of the fact that it's cheap, it gives you exposure to meme coins, and there are potential for ETFs, right? So we've seen it with Bitcoin. There's like 15 now or something, right? There's tons. We could see Solana or Ethereum be the next ones. Okay, so a lot of VC money. A lot of people have made money with Solana, and I think it's going to continue. So what I'm getting at here is that once Bitcoin gets past 100K and people get really bored with it, you're going to see Solana explode in price. Like, it's going to be that simple because you can do more. And when people get into the low caps after they get into the layer ones, I still think Solana is going to do well, because if you want to pick up memes, you want to get them on Solana, and your memes are going to be priced in Sol, right? So when you're picking up these Solana tokens or these meme coins on Solana, they're going to be priced in Solana. So it's not a bad idea to hold on to Solana, assuming that memes are just going to go nuts, right? So they already have some of them. We'll show you right now. But because of those reasons, I think Solana, we could see a $900 token price by summer, right? So that's my kind of peak of the market. $1,000 seems high. 900 is pretty close, but that's something that I think we can get to. I mean, we've seen Dogecoin's at 40 cents right now. So that's new. Bitcoin might hit 93 by the end of this video. That may happen. So even if you take a look on the Solana ecosystem, there's a bunch of opportunities. So Peanut the Squirrel went nuts. I did a video on that. So if you guys do remember, wonder if I had that on here. So maybe I can go back to it. So I did a top 3 Solana token video. So if you guys go to the channel, I have a 100x Solana pick. So you guys can watch that. I shared that with you. It's Raw Dog. I think it's got a lot of potential. But I did a top 3 Solana. And these 3 tokens have done very well, specifically Peanut. So I called that one quite well. So it's kind of fun when you call stuff right every once in a while. Sometimes I'm wrong. So here's Ponk. I did a video on Ponk a long time ago, about a year ago. Had I actually held, right? I took profits on a 3x and it went up like 50x after that. So guys, memes, right? With Solana, you can set up something like a Phantom. Here's my Phantom wallet. Let me just put in my password here. So if you guys do want a tutorial on Phantom, how to pick up Solana memes, I got you covered. So here I got some Raw Dog, I got Solana, and I got some Peanuts Dog. So I did do well on Peanuts. I think I turned like $100 into 800 on that one. Then I moved stuff to my Tangent Ring. So guys, let me know, what is your price prediction for Solana? And guys, I have to almost do another video on Tangent. I love it. So guys, use code Moose, save 10% off a Tangent wallet. So this is the card. The card's cool. You can flip it around. You can do like little magic tricks and make a mess. But ultimately, the Tangent Ring, guys, the Tangent Ring, this thing is sexy. This thing's great. So I told you guys I would get married to crypto. I think I am. This is part of my everyday carry. I use this thing all the time. So use code Moose, save 10% off. It helps the channel. It helps you. And more importantly, I don't know, be happy today. Cheers, everybody.